Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up footprint in Tradovate. So first of all, you need to log in into your Tradovate account if you haven't already. Then you need to simply just launch your chart. So when the chart is launched successfully, among the given options here on the top, simply click on the option of candlesticks. Then among the given options, look for the option of bid ask volume. Now it is going to take some time and it is going to be basically implemented here on top of your chart just like so this is going to change the regular candlesticks charts into the Tradovate's footprint style bid ask volume candles, showing you the volume traded at the bid and the ask at the different prices level. So over here, the next thing that you can do is you can just simply change the time frame that you want to analyze. For example, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. For more details over order flow analysis, you can also use the shorter time frames depending on your trading style. Now after doing this, you can hover over to the right hand side and click on the option of configure chart elements. So over here, when you click on this particular option, you are going to see the chart editor where you can select the chart type. You can then select the time frame. You can also change the color of the candles, and you can also make a lot of changes with the help of these particular options. So you can choose it in whichever manner you like and click on the option of save here at the bottom. So that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.